Hi, I'm Patty Dower, and this is Resource KC's 3 and 3. Two new directors were elected to the KCRAR Board of Directors. Chris Collins, with Keller Williams Key Partners, was elected as at-large director by the general KCRAR membership. Daniel Hartman, with Show Me Real Estate, was elected as Northland Region Director by KCRAR members in the Northland region. They will begin their 3-year terms in January under the leadership of 2023 KCRAR President Sydney West, who was installed earlier this month at the KCRAR Holiday Party, along with 2023 Heartland MLS President Kyle Niemann. And speaking of the KCRAR Holiday Party, 5 local real estate professionals were honored on stage at the event as standout contributors to the industry. Brent Gieseke, Good Neighbor Community Service Award winner; TJ Lorson, Industry Partner of the Year; Mike Cooper, Newcomer of the Year; Monica Angeles, Salesperson of the Year; and Kathy Minden, Realtor of the Year. Realtors and industry partners from across the KC region were nominated for these awards, so this is a great achievement for these 5 members. Congratulations! 2023 KCRAR forms and contracts are now available. The biggest change you'll notice is to the residential sales contract, where the home warranty paragraph now requires completion, regardless of whether a home warranty will be purchased by the buyer or provided by the seller. You can read about that change and all other changes to the 2023 forms on kcrar.com/forms. You can also access the new forms there, as well as on formsRus and dotloop. And that's your December 3 and 3. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays.